Next, we're going to talk about the module called the random module. So on the left-hand side, I click Manage Modules. I click on New Module. And then from this drop-down, I'm going to select Random. And I will give this a name and click Submit. So now we've created the random module. And let me show you an example of what this looks like. I'm on the Human Resources Professional Development page. And you will see this chunk of text right here. It has a professional development tip. What the random module will do is it will generate a random section like this every time the page is refreshed. So if I refresh the page, you will see that this professional development tip has changed. So every time I refresh it, you can see the text changes. So this is using the random module. So let's go back to our page and let's create a few different random facts in here. So I'm going to click on the Add Entry button. We'll give it a title. We'll call it CMS 201 Training. And I'll just throw some text in here. And then I'm going to click on Submit. And now you'll see we have a listed title in here. So I'm going to add a couple more here. So you can see I've added in a bunch of different random facts. So now that we've created these, let's add this random module to one of our pages. So I'm going to click on Content on the left-hand side, and then I'm going to click on the button that says New Content. So I'm going to click on Content on the left-hand side. I'm then going to find the page that I want to edit, which is this page here, this modules page. I'm going to click on the blue pencil icon to edit. And once this page loads, I'm going to click on the modules button on the bottom right. And then from here, I'm going to choose the random module that we've just created. So I click on that, and now that module has been added to our page. There's a few things you can customize with this. If I click on the blue pencil icon here or double click on it, you can see now I have the option of showing the heading or hiding the heading. And I can also choose however many entries I want to display, so 1 through 25. I'm just going to keep that at 1, and I'm going to have the heading shown, and I'm going to click Save. I'm now going to click on Preview Draft, and let's take a look at how our random module is looking. And you can see here is the page that we've created, and here is the random module added there. Now you'll see if I click on the refresh button up here and refresh the page, you will see that the fact that you see in here randomizes every time you refresh the page. So it's a good way to put some information out on your page that you want to be random. You want it to show a different fact or different random fact every time you load. So I'm going to come back to our page, click on Publish, and now our changes are saved.